#1 sales in the world. Optima Steamer is largely divided by diesel and electric model. Diesel model is operated by single-phase electricity, while electric model is operated by three-phase electricity. If power and steam switches on the panel are turned on in order from the LCD screen, a user easily can check water pump operating status. 3 water level sensors automatically check the water level of the steam vessel to prevent from overcharging and dry heating to avoid overheating and overpressure. If the water level of the steam vessel reaches at high water level sensor, water pump will stop. Then, the temperature of the steam vessel will reach 178 degrees Celsius. When the steam pressure reaches 8.5 bar, steam will be ready for use. When the moisture valve is closed, a user can use dry steam only. When the moisture valve is opened, a user can use wet steam. After finishing steam works, turn off steam and power switches in order, and steam out until the pressure of the steam vessel drops to 2 bar. When the pressure of the steam vessel drops under 2 bar, open the drain valve to release the water and steam remaining in the steam vessel. When the drain is completed, it is highly recommended to keep the drain valve opened until the next use. When it needs to reset the machine for the initial operation, it is recommended to turn off the steam and power switches for 5 seconds and turn on repeatedly more than twice. On the LCD screen, a user can check the condition of the machine. By taking a proper replacement, a user can keep the machine always in good condition. Optima Steamer is the first and only steam cleaning machine certified by SEII, UL, CSA, and SASO in the world. The world's best high-tech designed artificial intelligence system will ensure the safety of users and lifespans of the machines. Thanks to the safety certified parts and the safety devices, users can use powerful steam much safer. The world-patented steam vessel system structure enables Optima Steamer's powerful superheated steam to sterilize 99% of bacteria and remove oil stains. Likewise, Optima Steamer is used diversely in all the industrial fields. The world leader in industrial steam cleaning. Now, experience the Optima Steamer's unrivaled technology and steam power.